Welcome to the second grade reading intervention Google Classroom with Mrs. Todd. This is where your child will access additional reading resources similar to what we were working on back in the classroom, which I so enjoyed, but now with home learning, this is another way for your child to connect with me and with some reading support for them. When you arrive at the Google Classroom, this will be your home page called the Stream page. On this page, you will find any new announcements from me. In the first announcement, you will see that I have listed my Zoom address as well as my office hours, which are opportunities for your child to connect with me for some additional reading support, instruction, and also some socialization. My hours are Monday through Thursday from 11 to noon. Additionally, you will see my email address on there, and you're welcome to contact me at any time with any questions that you have. After scrolling through any new announcements, please always go to the tab at the top of the page called Classwork. Once you arrive at this page, this is where your child will interact with any of the reading activities that I have assigned for them. I highly encourage them to simply start at the top and work their way down. I have included social activities that we have done similar back to our classroom, supporting our Stand Tall Like Molly Lou, finding good character in our students, and then there are some academic learning activities such as phonemic awareness, and then moving down there are also some phonics activities that integrate reading passages as well. When your child interacts with the Google Classroom, I encourage them to access it twice a week for only 30 minutes at a time. They are welcome to check back more frequently or take smaller breaks and work in smaller chunks if that's better for them. You will notice that the days are labeled. The first day would be day 1, and your child would work through all of those activities from the top to the bottom. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.